guys, I'm Mira Grossman, and today we'd like to take you on a video tour of 741 California Avenue. Come on in. We are located in prime Venice Beach, just off of Abbot Kinney Boulevard. The ground floor is perfect for entertaining or as a large living room. It has a great indoor-outdoor flow, as all of these sliding doors open to this beautiful private patio and courtyard where there is space for outdoor dining. At the oversized breakfast counter, you can have a quick bite or it can be utilized for hosting larger gatherings. From behind the counter, while you cook for your family or make drinks for your friends, you can overlook everything happening in this great entertainer space. On the second floor are all of the bedrooms as well as a TV lounge area. Each of the spacious guest rooms has an abundance of light flooding in through oversized windows, which look out over the park across the street. As you walk down the hallway, you'll notice the soaring ceilings and gallery-style walls. All the bedrooms are spaced out perfectly for maximum privacy. The home is platinum green rated and has individual climate controls in every area for your comfort. The spacious master bedroom sits at the end of the hallway and has its own private stairwell and direct access from the garage. The master also features its own sitting space or office area, as well as a private deck, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee and paper or sharing a glass of wine after a long day. The generous master bathroom is complete with a double vanity, soaking tub, and shower. One of the best features of this unique home is its oversized rooftop deck with stunning panoramic views. It truly embodies the very essence of California living, allowing you to soak up the sun all year round. The stainless steel outdoor kitchen and barbecue allows you to enjoy indoor-outdoor living at its best, whether you're hosting a party or cooking meals with your family and friends. For more information on this listing, please give us a call.